All right, you are not going to want to miss this episode because this great lady, Hyla Crane from Marco Center for Arts, is going to tell you all about it. Hyla, don't you think it's going to be great?
It's going to be wonderful, Mary. We can't wait.
Really, Mary?
Hey, it's Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group at Premier Plus Realty. And boy, it is my distinct pleasure to have Hyla Crane from the Marco Center for Arts on Really Mary today. Hyla, welcome to Really Mary.
Good. Hello, Mary, and thank you for the opportunity to share some information about Marco Island Center for the Arts.
Well, that's awesome. Well, you're the executive director. And for those that don't really know about the Marco Center for the Arts, go ahead and share a little bit about what you guys do and what you have.
Well, Marco Island Center for the Arts celebrated 50 years of bringing art to Marco and beyond in 2020. And we have a whole range of things that we do here. We have beautiful gallery space where we change our exhibitions monthly or every other month, providing opportunities for our local artists, as well as bringing exhibitions in that you might not see anyplace else in Southwest Florida. We have an exceptional gift gallery with the work of over 150 artists from the area, which makes for a great shopping experience. We have a robust offering of classes for adults, art classes in all sorts of mediums, whether it's painting, clay, sculpture, specialty classes like stained glass, and all sorts of different kinds of new art skills that you can develop, fine art skills. We also do programming for children and youth. We are getting ready to start our Young Artists Academy, which will start in October, offering 8 weeks of free art classes on Saturday afternoons for middle and high school students. We completed our summer program for children 5 to 13, also 6 weeks of free art workshops for children. We believe that cost shouldn't be a barrier, and we want our programs to be accessible to any young person who wants to pursue their creative journey. We do an entire music series here throughout season with a variety of music. We have done everything from world music to cultural music. We do tend to skew towards a lot of jazz because we find that people really, really enjoy that. We've had author talks and artist talks. And well, if somebody's interested in seeing something happen here at the Marco Island Center for the Arts, they can just give me a ring and we can talk about it. We are open to any and all suggestions.
I really, really love that. You know, I raised 3 children on the island and they're all boys. And I wanted to make sure we didn't give them just sports, right? That we did arts as well. And they had classes upstairs in the newer wing, you know, or I'm not even sure if it's a newer wing, but upstairs in the area where you hosted them. And it was amazing because free classes are awesome. You know, I think that it is so important for not just the young people, but the old people, I'm old, you know, our population here to have those, and we don't have to go anywhere here on Marco Island. So if you're living on Marco Island versus going into Naples and participating in those programs, right? I mean, it's right here.
It is, and our parking is very convenient. You're not having to park someplace that would be challenging. Of course, it's only our children's programs that are free. There is a cost involved, a fee involved for our adult programs, but that fee is very reasonable, and people truly enjoy the experience. There are so many wonderful benefits in terms of providing relaxation, boosting self-esteem, making new friends. For a lot of our artists or our adult student artists, it's a great social activity. It improves cognitive ability. So we really encourage people, even if they've never thought that they were an artist or have never taken an art class before, to come on down, give it a try. There are a lot of classes that you can do a one-day workshop to test it out. And it's something that we think people really will enjoy and will be very beneficial to them.
And just the atmosphere that you have, I just love it. It's very soothing when you go in. It's just wonderful for the exhibits, you know, on top of all the educational things and creative things that you have. Hyla, where can they find you? What's the address? What's your website? What does that look like?
We are located at 1010 Winterberry Drive, which puts us right next to the tax collector's office, to give you a landmark. Our website is www.marcoislandart.org, O-R-G, and all of our classes and workshops for 2021-22 are up there now, so you can go take a look. Or you can give us a call at 239-394-4221, and anybody here at the Art Center would be happy to help you, because Mary, we like to believe that when you come to the Art Center, you become part of our art family, and we strive every day in every way to be your art home.
And on that, that is just a great segue into saying thank you, thank you, thank you. All that information is below, so please click on it. You're going to love that experience. Hyla, thank you for coming on this episode of Really Mary. And until next time, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and we look forward to seeing you here in paradise at the Marco Center for Arts. Ciao.